What's up guys, it's Chris, you're watching Plumbing Explained, and today I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to cut through cast iron pipe.
Drain being a pain, the brown won't go down. Time to deploy Uncle Elroy, he's got the longest snake around. Need to clear your pipes without any gripes. Old Uncle Elroy's the guy for the job, he's getting shit done without being a slob. So give the man a like and go and hit subscribe. It's gonna save you money, save you time. He'll teach you how to plumb and won't charge a dime.
So today we're going to be using our Milwaukee M12 fuel hacksaw with a Diablo carbide blade to cut through this 1.5-inch cast iron pipe. And even though we're using a sawzall instead of a grinder, it's very important that you have your protective eyewear on, guys. Please make sure you're wearing something that protects your eyes. You only get 2 eyes. There's no growing them back, no replacing them. Nobody's ever heard of a blind plumber, and the one-eyed plumber has to work twice as hard. So let's just be safe, be cautious, guys. Wear your eye protection whenever you're making cuts on the job. I've seen some horrific eye injuries in my time, and it's definitely not worth just looking goofy for a minute with some goggles on. Now, I know a lot of the old timers out there are saying, man, you should have just used a grinder. You would already be done with that cut. And I totally agree with you, dude. But here's the thing. With the grinder, there's a lot of sparks flying metal. Many times I've had to pick out little slivers of metal out of my arms and my face just from using the grinder. So if I can, I usually like to use the sawzall, especially if I've got the time to spare. It allows me to make a nice little precise cut. It's still very quick, and I don't have to worry about the liability. That and Diablo makes a really quality blade. They use this new technology that they came out with called black ice, so you get multiple cuts out of one blade. It's not like the old days where you'd buy like a $20 or $30 sawzall blade and get maybe one cut, maybe even half a cut out of it. You're definitely doing a lot better with these new Diablo blades. I know Diablo isn't the only company out there right now making these high-quality carbide blades for thick metal, but they're the company that I trust the most, the company I've used the most and have the most experience with, and after doing some research, they seem to be one of the better manufacturers. Over the weekend, I picked up some blades made by Milwaukee and some blades made by some other competing brands, and I'll be using those in some other videos in the future as like a test. So make sure you're subscribed, you ring the bell so you stay up to date on all the channel's notifications. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what blades you use, what blades you think I should try, what blades do you want to try. Let me know down in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer any questions or just talk back and forth with you guys. I read all the comments, I always respond, and I just want you to know, guys, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you subscribing, liking the channel, liking the videos. It's awesome. It's a privilege to be part of this community, guys. All right? Take care.